Look at the result first. This Hacker News browser task starts at 102 seconds, 23 turns, and $1.46. 2 iterations later, it lands at 35 seconds, 8 turns, and 28 cents. The important part is not that the agent clicked faster. It stopped clicking like a person. It read the page structure directly, pulled the full links with JavaScript, and saved that better workflow as a reusable skill. That is the whole story in one frame. Browser agents should not relearn the same website forever. If a browser agent can learn the page once, every repeat task should get cheaper. The source is Jeong's post about Hermes Agent, Autobrowse, and Browserbase. The post says Hermes can use Autobrowse to make better browser skills. The example is deliberately simple. Go to Hacker News and get the top stories. But simple is exactly why it works as a demo. Everyone understands the task, and the failure is easy to see. The first approach can reach Hacker News. It can read story titles. But the output is not clean enough. Some links come back as base domains instead of full URLs. That is where the demo gets interesting. The proof is not a benchmark table floating in space. It is the actual agent trace, the actual remote browser, and the actual page. Autobrowse is not just a browser control command. The visible setup describes a loop. An inner agent browses. The trace gets inspected. The strategy file gets improved. Then the task runs again until it passes reliably. That changes the economics of browser automation. A normal browser agent pays the discovery tax every run. It figures out the page, clicks around, makes mistakes, and forgets the work. Autobrowse turns that into procedural memory. The agent sees what worked, saves the method, and uses the method next time. That is why a small Hacker News example matters more than it looks. The website did not change. The model did not suddenly become magical. The workflow got smarter. The video then shows the real remote browser layer. On the right, Browserbase has a running session. Inside that session, the browser is on news.ycombinator.com. The familiar Hacker News header is visible, along with the ranked list of stories. On the left, Hermes is still working through the task. This matters because the proof is not a fake dashboard or a mock terminal. It is a real browser session, a real web page, and a real agent trace. The task is basic: collect the current top stories. The point is how the agent learns to do it with fewer wasted steps. Remote browser sessions also matter because many real workflows are not friendly to simple scraping. The agent needs a browser it can inspect, replay, and improve against. The first pass appears to pass, but the agent does not stop there. It notices a quality bug. The visible message says the URLs are only base domains for items 2 through 10. Item 1 has the full URL because it was clicked. The rest do not. That is a classic browser agent problem. Clicking can produce one good example, but it does not scale cleanly. If the goal is top stories, the title alone is not enough. A reusable skill needs the exact links. This is the moment where a weaker agent would report success. Here, the trace catches the problem and changes the strategy. This is also what makes the demo credible. The failure is specific, observable, and fixed in the next iteration. The fix is the key line in the demo. Extract full refs with JavaScript evaluation in one shot. Instead of opening each story, waiting for navigation, backing out, and repeating that loop, the agent reads the anchors already present in the document. The page has the data. The browser does not need more clicking. It needs better access to the DOM. That is why the second run is cheaper. The agent is not guessing. It is using the page structure. It writes the better strategy, reruns the task, and the metric line shows the result: 35 seconds, 8 turns, 28 cents. Down from 102 seconds, 23 turns, and $1.46. The broader lesson is simple. Browser agents should use interaction when interaction is needed. But when the page already exposes clean structure, direct evaluation wins. The bigger idea is browser memory. Browser agents are useful, but they're expensive when they rediscover every site from zero. A skill turns a fragile one-off path into something that can compound. Hacker News is a small example, but the pattern applies to any repeated workflow. Learn the page, validate the output, save the strategy, and avoid the same mistakes next run. The comments under the post point to the next layer: shared skills, success predicates, and browser harnesses that keep the agent honest. That is where this gets practical. A browser skill should not just run. It should know when it succeeded, know what output shape is acceptable, and know when the site changed enough to relearn. If you want the next video to be a setup tutorial, say that. This one is the proof. Hermes learned the page and the cost dropped.